Hello, this is a video on the Craftsman V20 weed whacker, and I'm going to show you all the parts to it. It's really easy to deal with. Might seem complicated now, but it's really not that bad. And I'll break it down for you, show you how to load the string, and we'll go from there. Or line, they call it. This is what it calls for. I got the Shakespeare. It's a 080. They didn't have the Craftsman, or I would have probably gotten that. They're all pretty much the same. I think 065 inch would work in this, but actually that's what it calls for right there. So, and like, as the thing gets used, gets a little older, if you need parts for it, they're readily available. Here, this is online, $22.81. That's the whole, this is this piece here. I've got it disassembled here just to show you. It can only go back together one way. It's not difficult at all. You just got to try. Okay. And I'll start out with the very first part here, in my first part of this video here. I'll show you right here. One little part to put on here. How it goes. It's this piece right here. Okay. Nothing else on here. You can't take this. It would be difficult to get this off. If you've got to take that off, you need a new weed eater. But anyway, this part right here, first thing, you can't put it on. That would be upside down. It won't go on there right. Okay? Just like that. That just slipped right down in there. I'll pull it out here again. I'll watch the camera a little better there. Okay, just slips right down in there. That's all it is. So there's your first part. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put this, what do they call this thing here? Craftsman string trimmer spool head, the head. Okay, that's what I was at. Okay, when you put this on here, and I've got it all apart here. Okay, these parts all go together. I'm just showing you how to put this on. Okay, put this on here right here, and I'm going counterclockwise if it's upside down like this. Okay, and see it's going all the way on there, counterclockwise. I'm taking it off. Okay, see that? Now you'll have to take this apart occasionally. You know how there's grass and all kinds of debris in here. Any weed eater, you're going to have to do some maintenance on it. So that's why I'm showing you this, and really not that bad on this. And while I got it apart like this, I want to show you. See this little notch here? There's a notch here. When you buy this weed eater, it comes with a bar that looks similar to this right here. I lost mine or misplaced it or threw it away. I don't need it. A regular screwdriver will work. You're going to use this to stick right here. See, there's a notch right there. And that notch right there, you're going to line this up. This will twist around. Let me set it on there right again. It's like that. And only you can't put it on wrong. Okay, you'll twist it around. Let's see where that little hole is. You're going to line those holes up, and you're going to put that in there, and you're going to spin this. Didn't we say counterclockwise? Okay, with all these other parts together, and you can buy for. These are going to mess up on you over the years. I used this all summer, so it's still, mine's fine. I think it'll last several seasons, maybe more, I don't know. But you're going to pull this down. You're going to get this down like this, and then you don't want to crank this down real hard. This is going to hold it in place, your bar or tiny screwdriver, whatever you got. Line those holes up, put it in there, it kind of locks it in place. You just want to turn this down and snug it down. Now, don't go crazy on this and try to put a lot of, you can tighten this down real tight, and then when it comes time to take it apart for maintenance, you're going to have problems. So another part of the video, of this video here, I'm going to put this all together and kind of show you the way it should be. Okay, this is the, we're going to talk about the head assembly. Like I was telling you over there, you can get a whole new assembly on Amazon, which you won't need for a while, hopefully. And this is all it is. Can't really put it in, you know, backwards. Pretty easy to put together, and I'll show you. This spring is just going to stay in place. It can be pulled out and changed. Well, actually, no. You just get the whole cap. It's not that expensive to get this. If it wears out, you're banging that on the sidewalk, and eventually it's going to wear out. And but they're easy to get. So. Now here we go. Okay, here is your spool. Now if you notice, this has different angles cut on it here, so it's only going to fit in here one way. You don't want. I don't even know if it'll fit this way, but that would be stupid. It goes like this. It goes like this. You just figure out where it goes. There you go. But before you do that, you got to put this other piece on it here. Okay. And there it is. I mean, you really can't put it any other place. You just would realize that's where it goes. So, you notice that? Now, here's the spool. We're back to this again, right? Okay. One more piece. This is red cap with spring. You'll notice these right here. Very, very easy. I mean, it's a piece of cake. You just, and that's it. See how kind of, when the string advances, it's like that. Okay, taking it apart, I kind of push on, just, whoops. Oh, there went the spring and everything. Let me go get that. Okay. Hear that little snap there? So that's the way the head assembly goes together. Again, you're going to need to take this apart for maintenance, to clean it. Maybe to change out a part that's worn. And now I want to show you just a little bit more about this head assembly here. Put it back together. That's why I'm doing this. When we're restringing this, let's say ran out of string and we restring this, okay? You see that little white line there? Now mine are kind of worn off here. Okay, but there's another white line here, okay? And what we're after, you just spin it around like this. See, there's a white line here. And let's see, I'll figure this out. Just let me look at it for a second here and I'll tell you what I did. There it is. Sorry that took so long, but that's the way it goes. The idea here is that we want to be able to see all the way through there. Okay, because you're kind of hard to see there, but yeah, I can see all the way through there. And you see how I did that just by spinning it. Okay, there I can't see that through there, and then where'd it go? So anyway, the idea there is we're going to put the new string up to 20 feet. You can use any length. You can use 6 feet. You just stick it through there, pull it out evenly, and then you just twist this, and it's going to retract the string up in there. So, and I'm going to do that for you here. And you notice I got my little marking pencil out here and mark these lines here. They're going to be white lines that you line up. This is important when you're putting new string on it. And you know, we'll see that later, but if you notice, you can see right through there. That's the deal. You just twist this. They're on both sides. Okay. So you just twist this. You don't really even need the marks there. You just need to look in there and just notice when they're the whole line. You know, you can go straight through there because you're going to just thread the line straight through there. This weed eater is so easy to restring. It's incredible. It's not hard. That's why I'm trying to show you this. So, and I hope it helps somebody. Now let's install the head. Okay. Now, counterclockwise. Of course, just like I was showing you earlier. Very easy. The parts were so simple here. It's nothing, you know, 4 parts there. Okay, now you're putting the head on here like this, counterclockwise. No string in it yet. Or you could have put a new spool in there. You can buy the spools, $14.99. You get 3 of them. You get this red cap. You get a spring, which mine are fine. But anyway, you want to crank that down about like that. Okay, let me see if I can show you this. Okay, yeah, this is going to work out. Okay, now you see this notch right here. Okay, that's what you're looking for right there. Spin this around. They're on both sides, by the way. You got one here. You got one here. And this is where that bar it comes with this weed eater. It's just a round bar about that thickness right there. It's made, this is what it's for. You can, if you lose it, you see how I'm doing it, right? Okay, let's get back here to that. Spin this around. Okay, this go this way. Yeah, there's the hole. Let's go back around again. Doesn't matter. There's the hole. I'm going to stick my screwdriver down there just that far, and I'm going to crank this with this big piece right here, about like that. Bang. That's it. You don't want this to be really crazy on here. It's not going to come off on you when you're using it. You know, it's because it's designed, it's rotating that way. See how I can get it off when I need to later? About like that, and about like that is fine. I'll be able to get that off with no problem. Now we'll go on to loading the line. And you know to line these 2 holes up. Okay, this is what you've been waiting for. This is how to load your line on this thing. It's incredibly simple, up to 20 feet. So I'm gonna use 10 feet. Okay, my table is 5 feet long, so I'll just stretch this out. There. Do that again. Oh, mine's messing up in there. This is probably about 8 feet. Okay. So here we go. Now you know that I have those lines, these lines right here lined up, white lines. And that's important because I want my line to fit through there. You know I can see right through there, right? Just fish it through a little bit. Kind of angled a little bit here. Or bent. But it's very, very easy. I said it was easy. There it is. It's not difficult. Maybe I made it look difficult, but it's not at all. Now I'm just going to pull these. I'll back my camera up just a little bit. You can see what I'm doing here. So easy. I know this was a long video, but I just wanted to show you. I'm going to make the ends. You don't have to be perfect about this, but just something like that. I'm going to pull it about like that. See that? Nothing to that. Okay, now, once I do that, let them hang like that. I'm going to go clockwise this time. Here it's now. I can be doing this real fast. Just doing it slow, right? Nothing to it. See that? Going right in there. Really nothing to it at all. I can literally have this string on here in minutes. Leave it about like that. Okay. This string is like $9 or $9.99 maybe. Look how much you get. You get 140 feet. That's a lot. You push down on this. See, it's coming out for me. Real nice and easy. You can bump it. Come out. Now if I want it back in there. And that's how you load the string. It's really that simple. It's not hard at all. Let that work for you. Have a great day.